Hi, I'm Jessica Hood, and this is my presentation of the Web 2.0 tools used in my lesson plan on European Explorers, 3rd grade. Here are the content standards. I wanted them to demonstrate an understanding of European exploration in North America by creating a presentation using different visual tools, describe the accomplishments and obstacles of these explorers, and examine the effects of exploration on Native people and their lands. The NET standards includes evaluating and selecting informational resources, using an array of websites and ebooks, using Google Apps, Kaggle, and screencasting tools to create a presentation, and use these tools to construct knowledge, enhance learning, and promote creativity. Here are the tools used in this lesson plan. We used Google Classroom for all of the assignments. They were created on here, and the students also turned in their assignments through here. The first assignment was to create a timeline using Kaggle of the explorers' date of exploration in North America. And here are the explorers, and through this doc, they were able to click on these hyperlinks and it would send them to websites with more information. Here's an example of the Kaggle used. I created on the timeline. So after they've created the timeline, they were able to select one of the 6 explorers to further explore. They used these graphic organizers to classify and organize their information. As you can see, they're leveled. The vocabulary is different for the different levels. Some of the resources they used include BrainPop, History.com. BrainPop has videos, and they were also able to use Epic Books as a way to gather their information. These are all ebooks and they're interactive. Students can click on the text, it can be read to them, it can also define the words to them, and they're able to enlarge images. For their presentation, they were able to create a Google slide using narration that they typed out or narration that they screencasted. Here's an example of one that I created using screencast. So they could narrate using their voice, or they could just have narration using the text. They then took these presentations and they put them on a CLATS website, and this was used to present and to publish their slides, and this website was used within our classroom and also to be shared with other third grade classrooms. So here's an example of their presentations, and if you clicked on the link, you would be able to see some of the students' presentations. Rubrics were used to assess student learning. There was a rubric created for the timeline where it went over the dates, overall appearance, and how they used the graphics. And there was also a presentation rubric for the European Explorers presentation, which went over the quality of information, how they used the graphic organizer and the resources, made sure that they used images and the font and color and how it was to enhance their presentation, also how they worked with others. For our reflection, each student's presentations were very personal and all very different. I think giving the students many options for gathering research was very effective. All the students used at least 2 resources for collecting their information, were able to navigate with ease. The Kaggle was very successful. They really responded well to using the graphics and even the emojis within this feature. They were all able to add their own creativity to the timeline to make it more appealing. It was a really proud moment reviewing all the students' presentations because they were so awesome. They really wanted them to look good, and they worked really well together. This is the first time they gathered information on their own, and they also working collaboratively. And I'm very pleased, and I will definitely do this activity again. Thank you.